Ever since meeting over drinks in 2021, the two have been inseparable ever since. Whether it be going on adventures, working out in a garage gym, or watching movies cuddled up with Lacey, you are truly each other's person.
But I promise you this, I'll always look out for you. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Say I say
It's with much happiness that Alyssa and Jeff thank everyone who made the journey to be here today in this beautiful setting to celebrate their wedding. Do you, Jeff, welcome Alyssa as your wife, offering her your love and encouragement, your trust and your respect as you create your married life together?
I do.
that's what I do.
Do you, Alyssa, welcome Jeff as your husband, offering him your love and encouragement, your trust and your respect as you create your married life together?
I do.
Yes, I will. I said, I cried. I saw sparks.
I give you this ring as a symbol of my love and commitment to you.
I give you this ring as a symbol of my love and my commitment to you.
Yeah, I saw sparks.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride. Congratulations.